Hello students, let's start part number 3 of the chapter agriculture. This is the fourth chapter and today we are going to start the new video of this chapter and with the topic major crops. A large variety of crops are grown to meet the requirement of the growing population. Crops also supply raw material for agro-based industries for agriculture. For example, textile industry needs raw material from agriculture like cotton, jute, etc. Major food crops are wheat, rice, maize, millets. Jute and cotton are fiber crops. Important beverage crops are tea and coffee. So let's discuss about the major crops of the world. First is rice. Rice is the major food crop of the world. It is the staple diet of tropical and subtropical regions. Rice needs high temperature and high humidity with high rainfall. For rice, you have to note down, dear students, because it is not mentioned in your book. 25 degrees Celsius, approximately 25 degrees Celsius temperature is required, and 100 centimeter annual rainfall is required. It is a kharif crop, means it is grown in the monsoon season in India. And our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. So leading countries are China, India, Japan, Sri Lanka, Egypt. In favorable climatic conditions as in West Bengal and Bangladesh, 2 to 3 crops are grown in a year. So this was about rice. You have to remember the things, that it is grown in the tropical and subtropical regions and high temperature approximately 25 to 30 degrees Celsius and 100 centimeter annual rainfall is required for that. High humidity is required. Clear? So this is about rice. In India, it is grown in West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Punjab, Haryana, etc. Next one is wheat. Wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. So you have to note down the temperature. Approximately 15 degrees Celsius temperature is required when it is grown. Means it is grown in November and December, sometimes in October last and November. So 15 to 20 degrees Celsius temperature is required, and after that during the harvesting time or for ripening, it requires more than 25 degree or 30 degree Celsius temperature. It means bright sunshine. It thrives best in well-drained loamy soil. Wheat is grown extensively in the USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia, India. So these are major wheat growing areas in the world: USA, Canada, Argentina in South America, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. In India, it is grown in winter season, so it is a Rabi crop. You have to remember, in India it is grown in Rabi season. It is Rabi crop. UP, Bihar, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh are major wheat growing areas in India. Now let's discuss about millets. Next is millets. They are also known as coarse grains and can be grown on less fertile and sandy soils. It is a hardy crop that needs low rainfall and high to moderate temperature and adequate rainfall. Jowar, bajra and ragi are grown in India. Other countries are Nigeria, China and Niger are the major millets growing crops. If you talk about jowar, jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production in India. Jowar, and it is grown in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar, followed by Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. After that, bajra. Bajra grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra and after that UP, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. After that Ragi. Ragi is a crop of dry regions and grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soils. So Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi, followed by Tamil Nadu and Himachal Pradesh. Uttaranchal means Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand, and Arunachal Pradesh. So this was about millets. Now about maize. It requires moderate temperature, rainfall, and lots of sunshine. It needs well drained, fertile soils. Maize is grown in North America. In North America means Canada, Mexico, USA. After that, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India, and Mexico. It is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. Both food and fodder. Maize is used for that. And you should note down the temperature required from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. This temperature is required and grows well in old alluvial soil. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season, means in winter season. And after that, some states, Karnataka, UP, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh are other maize growing states. Then we are talking about cotton. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It is the main features or the favorable conditions required for growing cotton crop, and cotton is one of main raw materials for cotton textile industry, as we have talked before a short while. India is the third largest producer of cotton in the world. Cotton grows well in drier parts of black cotton soil of Deccan Plateau like Maharashtra, Gujarat, etc. And major cotton growing countries China, USA, India, Brazil, Egypt, right? Pakistan are the leading producers of cotton. It is one of the main raw materials for the cotton textile industry, as we have talked. Jute. Jute is very important fiber. It was also known as golden fiber. It grows well on alluvial soil. Alluvial soil in Ganga, Brahmaputra, Doab region requires high temperature, approximately 30 degrees Celsius, heavy rainfall, more than 100 centimeter rainfall, and humid climate. This crop is grown in the tropical areas. India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute. You have to remember, due to its high cost, it is losing market to synthetic fibers and packaging materials, particularly the nylon. But still, it's very important in the market. Now, next one is beverage crop, coffee. It requires warm and wet climate and well-drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are more suitable for growth of this crop. Brazil is the leading producer, followed by Colombia and India. In India and Brazil, the best quality of coffee is found in both of the countries. Especially Brazil is very famous for coffee. And India produces about 4% of world's coffee production, total world's coffee production. Indian coffee is known in the world for its good quality. The Arabica variety, Arabica is the variety of coffee. Arabica variety initially brought from Yemen and is produced in the country. The variety is in great demand all over the world. So this was about coffee, and initially its cultivation was introduced in the Baba Budan Hills. And even today its cultivation is confined to the Nilgiri in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Coffee. Then tea. Tea is beverage crop grown on plantations. This requires cool climate and well distributed high rainfall throughout the year. Good climate, cool climate for its growth is very important, and throughout the year for the growth of its tender leaves, high rainfall is required. And slopy land is also required for tea. So it needs well-drained loamy soil and gentle slopes. As we talked, gentle slopes. Labor is large number is required to pick the leaves. Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka produce the best quality tea in the world. In India, it is grown in Assam hills of Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri districts, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Apart from these, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, and Tripura are also tea producing states in the country. So, India is the leading producer as well as exporter of tea in the world, of good quality tea in the world. So, dear students, just this was about this topic of today's video, major crops. I hope that you understood. One more little topic is left from here. Interesting fact we are taking about. Interesting fact about maize is also known as corn. Maize is also known as corn. Various colorful varieties of maize are found across the world, as you can see in this picture. Interesting fact, there are different versions about the discovery of coffee. In about 850 AD, Kaldi, a person, Arab goat herder, who was puzzled by the queer antics of his flock, tasted the berries of the evergreen bush on which the goats were feeding. On experiencing a sense of exhilaration, he proclaimed his discovery to the world. So this is about the discovery of coffee plant. So this was just a fact, and you have to revise the topic with the help of this video and by reading in the PDF. Thank you. Have a nice day.